Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another exciting 3-hour actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. We today start with Mastek Limited. Our analyst retained buy on Mastek with a revised price target of Rs 2400. Given strong earning growth potential, improving order size and M&A opportunity, we expect Mastek to deliver strong revenue growth at 19% CAGR over FY21 to FY23 earnings. This would be on back of strong growth in UK public sector, robust order bookings, anticipated recovery in UK private business in second half of FY22 and traction in cloud technologies. Management aims to maintain EBITDA margins at 20 to 22% despite investment in technological capabilities and sales leadership team. Net cash remains strong at Rs 589 crore as of March 31, 2021, which can be utilized for acquisition in digital space. Next on radar is our analyst finding on ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. ICICI Prudential's FY21 annual report shows that despite the past few years of change in business mix due to softer traction in its savings business, iPru has been impressive with its strong execution capabilities and ability to deliver margin improvement. iPru has also been able to diversify its business mix both product-wise and distribution channel-wise, and also improved its VNB margins, which is value of new business margins. The company has reiterated its aspiration to double FY 2019 value of new business in 3 to 4 years, which translate to 18% CAGR over FY21 to FY24 earning estimates, which appears achievable. The other metrics are also healthy and valuations are at 2.5 times its FY22 earnings and 2.1 times its FY23 estimates EVPS. This our analysts believe is reasonable given the quality of the franchisee and strong business metrics. Sharekhan Research retained buy on ICICI Pru with a revised price target of Rs 650. So these were the 3R updates for today. Do like and subscribe to our podcast. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.